Hello friends, welcome to the Sharp Mind. So today we are going to learn grade 7 English literature, Ratna Sagar, chapter 5, Eidgah. So we were reading from here. The namaz is over, people meet and embrace each other. Then they head for toys shops and sweet shops. So the prayer, they were the villagers and thousands of people. Their prayer is done. And they meet each other and wish each other. Then they are going to the they are going to the toy shop to the toy shops. The villagers are excited as little children, so all of them are excited, and little as they are little children. 1 paisa for a ride on swing, taking you up onto the air, then hurling you down to earth. So 1 paisa for a ride. So 1 paisa is for one ride and on the swing, taking you up. In the swing you go up and then down, front and then back. So they are telling like that. And 1 paisa for 25 rides on the round above. And then 1 paisa for 25 rides. Mahmood, Mohsin, Noori and Samir climb on the wooden horses. So they are climbing on the wooden horses. It is a type of a play which they are sitting on, and wooden horses and camels and go around. Then Hamid stands apart because he has only 3 paise and he cannot afford to spend 1/3 of his precious money on mere roundabout. His friends dismount and run across the row of a toy shop. His friends have a lot of money, so they go in each ride, have fun, buy new toys and eat sweets too. His friends dismount and run across the row of toy shops. His friends run across the toy shops. Mahmood buys a soldier in a khaki uniform and red turban. So Mahmood will buy a soldier in khaki uniform and is wearing a red turban with rifle on his shoulder. And Mahmood's soldier is ready for action. Mohsin buys a smiling water carrier ready to sprinkle water on dusty roads. So Mohsin is buying a water carrier which is ready to sprinkle water on the roads which are dusty. Noori acquires a lawyer. So Noori is buying a lawyer. How impressive it seems, attired in a black gown. So Noori's lawyer is wearing a black gown and a gold watch chain and fat law book in his hand. Sami buys a sturdy washerwoman, and Sami buys a washerwoman. We'll learn this in the next video. Bye. And remember to like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive more videos and the next part of this video.